Hi guys, Tilly's pin feathers are coming in more. Well, her feathers are coming in more. She is starving, as you can see. All this bobbing. I think I need to... Hold on, baby. Hold on. All right, Tilly, there you go. Come on. Good girl. Oh, I found out today Tilly is not a girl. Tilly is a boy, but we are not going to change his name because, well, I like it. So, Tilly is Tilly. Ash is next. She is eating really well. We've had no issues with her eating. Ash still wants to play when it's feeding time for him. So he wants to hang out on top of the bowl or on top of the cup. You're all right. I got you. Good boy. End up calling him a girl until he's old enough to know, and he'll end up biting me too like Sammy does. So I'm glad I found out while he was still young. I think you're full now. Yeah, no, you're still bobbing. You still want more. No, her crop is full. If you overfeed her, she will aspirate. Or if you overfeed him, he will aspirate. Just because he's still bobbing doesn't mean he's still hungry. Hi, sweet boy. You're my good boy. Yeah. You're chirping. Yeah. Okay, go ahead and bring me Ash. I'll put Tilly up. Just bring me Ash. Good boy. We're going to try to feed Ash now. Like I said, he is very wound. Good boy. Good boy. Still doing all the ball. Come on. There we go. Crap. Come on. No. No. Come on. Come on. Said he wants to play. Oh, crap. Come on. You gotta sit still, big guy. Okay. You are such a mess. You are such a mess. You are a mess. Okay, 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 okay. Okay. Good boy. Very good boy. Good boy, Ash. We're getting there. Hold on. He's a messy boy. This part. Right there, sweet boy. Look at your face. Almost. Almost. Come on. No more? Come on. Oh, maybe. Hold on, make your face. Alright. He just wants to be on your shoulder, and he likes to fly off because he wants to play. Like that. And then he takes himself right down there onto the floor and plays. He's so cute. And Tilly is still in there chirping. What are you doing? Believe me, she's full. She don't need no more. Her crop is nice and plump. If you guys like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to ding the bell. And if you have any questions, please comment down below. Have a good night.